Hello everyone, a big welcome to Peaceful Earth with Medicine. May the good God bless you all. Let's take some minutes to look at nature. Nature is beautiful, nature is wonderful. That is the sun over there that is trying to come out. You can see it. It's amazing. It's really beautiful. Are you a type that take time to look at nature? You take your time to look at the moon, the sun, the star, the clouds. Are you a type? The mountain. It's amazing, guys. The good God created all those things for our beautiful eyes to see them, to be happy. You know, when there is sun, we are all happy. When there is rain, we are all happy. It's good to take some time to admire them, to look at them, to see the beauty of God, our Creator. Oh my God, it's really amazing. Let's just take some time to view it. The world we are today, we are always in haste. We don't have time to look at nature, but it's good to also take some time to look at them. Our God wants it like that. He created all things beautiful, good, on His own time. It's also good for us to take some time to look at the nature, to look at the beauty of what our God created, you know. Look at the sun there that is trying to come out. It's really amazing. Wow. Ah, I love it, guys. I really love it. Beautiful. Thanks everyone for watching my video. May the good God bless you all. Have a beautiful week. Have a good week. Have a peaceful week. Today is Monday.